Hi everybody, welcome to Viral Technovations. Today, we're going to go over modern-day manufacturing of pure gold and silver bars and coins. Gold and precious metals are some of the things that people treasure throughout the world, and even use it as stores of true wealth. Make sure to watch until the very end, because you'll learn to appreciate how gold and silver is processed. Here's the process of refining pure gold. It involves a hot furnace where the gold is melted into a liquid form, then created into solid bars. Refineries obtain a minimum of 90% pure gold from two primary types of mines. Royal Canadian Mint is a large-scale producer of gold and silver coins and bars. They start off the process by heating up crucibles up to 1,400 degrees Celsius to melt the precious metals. The form coil is used to roll the pure gold. Every single silver and gold coin is properly checked. They pack mints according to precise weights with robotic arms. Melting process. Cylindrical billets are filled with 99.9% pure silver that's been melted at 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. Extrusion. A long thin strip is formed as the billet is forced through an extruder. Punched blanks. Silver blanks are created from the strips to the proper weight. Burnishing. They go through a press after being polished. Pressing. Each silver blank is imprinted with a design by a die. This African gold refinery was established in Uganda and has very high standards. Their process has been perfected by dissolving metals to remove impurities. This is a look inside West Point Locations, U.S. Mint's gold and silver vault. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of today's and tomorrow's technologies and much more. Check out this next video of modern-day suspension bridge construction technology, and I'll see you again soon. Stay curious.